So I am here at a apartment building where I have a bath fan that the motor burned up. Well, you can't buy these types of fans anymore. I already loosened these, by the way. So I'm going to show you how to replace it with a Nutone motor with a little bit of modification. So my lovely assistant over here is going to hold the camera for me while I do this. So save this. Standard screwdriver. Pop these off. They get in the way. Save these, set them aside. That's junk. You don't need that. Alright, so. Oh, no way. Right out of the box. Oh. Alright, we'll have to get another one. Lady at Home Depot dropped the box too, so I'm wondering if it doesn't matter. I thought it was going to be fine, so I just had to put it in the cart. We got a few of these fans to do today. Now I'm one short. Okay.
Make sure it's not broken.
Yeah, right. Alright.
Yep.
Oh, these pull right off. Needle nose are probably not the best tools to use for this, but I had them handy. So, okay. I have a Torque 15. I suppose if I hook this up to my drill, it would go a little bit faster, but that takes effort, you know. Put a drill bit in the drill. Motor has to set somewhat like this inside the housing. So a 9/64 drill bit. That hole. Absolutely awesome.
Everything is awesome.
Everything is better when you're part of a team. Alright, that goes back on. This goes over here. I'll get in there. By the way, this part of the motor right here is threaded, so you don't need to put the nuts on yet, but you will have to tighten it all the way down. Put your nuts back on. Again, using an adjustable wrench or actual wrench would be
something
more
like
appropriate.
that.
Yeah, something like that, but this is already in my hand, so. Come on, push on there. Alright, it's ready to get installed. Let's go do it. This fan has been modified to fit from that. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and watch more of our videos.